Pepsi is the third most popular carbonated drink in India with a 15% market share behind Sprite and Thums Up. In comparison, Coca-Cola is the fourth most popular carbonated drink, occupying a mere 8.8% of the Indian market share. But by most accounts, Coca-Cola was India's leading soft drink until 1977. When it left India because of the new foreign exchange laws introduced by Morarji Desai government, which are mandated majority shareholding in companies to be held by Indian shareholders, the Coca-Cola company was unwilling to dilute its stake in its Indian until as required by the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act (FERA), thus sharing its formula with an entity in which it did not have majority shareholding. Hence, Coca-Cola left India. In 1988, PepsiCo gained entry to India by creating a joint venture with the Punjab government on Punjab Agro Industrial Corporation (PAIC) and Voltas India Limited. The joint venture marketed and sold Lehar Pepsi until 1991, when the use of foreign brands was allowed. PepsiCo bought out its partnership and ended the joint venture in 1994. In 1993, the Coca-Cola company returned in pursuance of India's liberalization policy. It seemed that the cola war in India was already won by the Pepsi. But if you think that Pepsi is the most sold company in India, then you are mistaken, my friend. At the end of the game, Coca-Cola returned out to be the king of cola war in India along with the rest of the world. Thums Up was an Indian brand that was created in 1977 after the American company Coca-Cola withdrew from India. The Chauhan brothers owned part of Parle company and already had two other brands of soda, Limca and Gold Sport, which were popular in India at the time. Thums Up quickly became the most popular and achieved a near monopoly among cola products in India during the 1980s, such as Campa Cola, Double 7, Dukes. Ramesh Chauhan had developed the formula for Thums Up from scratch, experimenting with ingredients such as cinnamon, cardamom, and nutmeg. The company also wanted the drink to be fizzy even when it was not ice cold, so it could be sold by vendors. After much testing and experimentation, the Chauhan brothers and their research team created a cola that was fizzier and spicier than Coca-Cola. In 1991, when the Indian government opened the market to multinationals, Pepsi was the first to come in. Thums Up and Pepsi subsequently engaged in heavy competition for endorsement. Thums Up increased its spending on cricket sponsorship. In 1993, Coca-Cola re-entered the market and three companies competed intensely. Later in the year, Coca-Cola bought the Parle-owned drinks Gold Sport, Limca and Thums Up for $60 million. When these were sold to Coca-Cola, Thums Up had a market share of 85% in India. तो आखिर में कोका-कोला ने दिखा ही दिया कि वो इस कोला वॉर की विनर है। आज पेप्सी पाकिस्तान, सऊदी अरेबिया और यमन छोड़कर हर देश में कोका-कोला से पीछे है। आज भी कोका-कोला को घंटा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि कोई रोनाल्डो जैसा प्लेयर उसके शेयर डाउन कर दे, क्योंकि कोका-कोला ने अपना अफीम वाला पानी हमारी ज़बान पर लगा दिया है, जो शायद ही कभी हटे। Thank you so much for watching and Happy New Year to all my friends.